You're messy and you're dirty.
You dirty! Look at you!
Yeah. What? To my office. To my office. So you're not here to learn.
It's either you are born into wealth or you are born into poverty.
Let this be an example to you all.
Time to a fiber!
You had consequences.
Welcome to Rehearsal Academy, where I, Joanna Johnson, run teams. It's a typical high school where you have the hot girls. This is Tiki and a gang. Hot girls only. Yes, not the wannabe hot girls. As I was saying, only hot girls alone. Then you have the hot boys. Yeah, eyes off. This one is mine. Then you have the hot boys, galleys, choppers, and the bad man. Yeah, but then you have the nerds. Love you, Joanna! And the one that will save the world. The one that will always try to save the world. School is filled with talents. You have a talented one. This is a place to be. Rehearsal Academy and for Joanna Johnson. Talk to me. Look out for me now. How could I forget? The mad one them of in a Bellevue, but in a school. What? Anyways, Rehearsal Academy.
Student,
Listen.
put away the phone before I confiscate it.
To the auditorium in Single Falls. I'll be there within 5 minutes. Go ahead. Come on, walk.
Girl, it looks so good. I want to care this morning. It's all in the walk, girl. It's all in the walk.
Nobody move. Put your man. Police. Miss Bubbles Roach, stop right there. You think you was going to get away with it, eh? Eh? You leave your lunch on the table.
This is not necessary.
What you say?
This is not necessary.
I can't hear you.
All right, thank you.
Daddy love you, baby girl. Anyway, you're not going to tell me back.
All right, we love you. Jesus Christ.
What you say? I can't hear you.
All right, we love you.
Yo, that is good.
Attention, students! Now, as the principal of this glorious institution, crafted by my own two hands, I am looking forward to a superb term of learning and achievement. This year will be an interesting year for Rehearsal Academy. This year will be an outstanding year for you all as students of Rehearsal Academy. I will be stamping each and every one of you who are here to waste the government's money and resources one-way visa off this premises. So if you're not here to learn, please step forward. Young lady out there. How dare you? Come. Let us have her. Go to the office. Await me at the office. Let this be an example to you all. I will not accept indiscipline in this institution.
Why so?
We stand on our...
Hope I'm not late.
Mr. Bruce! Where? Where is the license plate? Mr. Bruce! No wonder your daughter is like that, huh?
Yes.
What is the example you're setting? Hey, Mr. Bruce? That...
It's a
Yes,
sneak.
man.
It's just a sneak up on the eye, so.
What?
Why your problem?
My problem is that, Timon, why couldn't she be like her sister? I am going to ensure she gets kicked from this institution. We are going to boot her out if she don't behave herself. Listen, she's doing everything that is wrong. Her grades is not as high as they should be. She's barely been a productive part of this institute. How dare she walk into my devotion and having up her phone in the...
You know, so the Empress is a teenager. A teenager thing that, man. The eye just calm down, man.
Mr. Bruce, it's only because you are a part of the teaching members of staff here. You're a member of... I am very upset.
Alright, I got to talk to her.
I am upset.
I got to talk to her, Mr.
The
Principal.
next time I see her with that cell
Mr.
phone,
I have a talk to her.
home.
I have a talk to the Empress, alright?
We need to have a session with Miss Johnson. I can't
I will
listen to
talk
this.
to her.
I cannot.
I will talk to her.
You make sure.
I'll go on like a princess.
I'm here, Daddy. I have some exciting news. Alright, listen me out. Right?
Yeah.
So, there's this fashion design
Party.
yeah, and but all of the fashion designers, top fashion designers are going to be there, and please.
Oh, you not want exam tomorrow?
You study, but we still don't have time to study. Forgive me just 1 hour.
Princess, man, I like that thing, you know. You have the principal dep on my case.
Oh, this is my dream. I need this. Just 1 hour, Daddy, and I promise we will finish. And you can't even help us.
Jaja. You know, I can't say no. I can't say no to you. Alright, yo. 1 hour. 1 hour, and you come back and we study like in the good old days. See?
Yes,
Alright.
Alright, Daddy.
Joanna, Bubbles, some of you snap now.
No, who's that? Who's him? No. I can't be seen with him.
You don't want to see it?
Excuse.
You also want to go and see it?
I was here this morning. I was here. What is? Where you get that? The thrift store? No, sir. You can't buy good clothes, girl. Then I'll buy this shoes, yeah? Not shoes. You're not in our league. Guess what I want to Daddy, I forgot PLS to buy your shoes. Man. Take out this man. Let us not even start. Look at that. Stop. We can spend for some money. What is that? Or we can buy some shoes. Oh my God. And do your ear. Buy bag. Don't come back earlier. No. I'm not going to walk in front of me like say. Don't do that again, man. Not in a full class. No. The parents, if you know better. what the sound poor.
Exactly. I don't know what them did.
Right?
Good morning. Students, come this side for me. I will not accept bullying in this institution. You will not be bullying these students. And you following her. Huh? You see the next time I have to speak to you about bullying, you will go home because you're so privileged. You see the need to jump up and down on students. No, Joanna. Deal with people like how you'd have them deal with you. You hear me? And you. Look at you. Huh?
Look at you.
What? Look at you.
Look at you.
What is this? What is this? Huh? You running behind her. Listen to me, young lady. Put yourself together because I don't know what this is. You're untidy, you're messy, and you're dirty.
You dirty. Look at you.
What? To my office, young lady. To my
Mr. Enriquez?
My name is Enriquez. Come, Miss Johnson, what is it?
Mr. Enriquez, I think that your method of discipline is way out of line. You have to be more patient.
For real, I am.
Get off my decks, Mr. Bruce. Stand up, sir. Why are you sitting on the decks?
Sir, yes, alright, sir. But, Miss Johnson, right? You have to examine some patience and some caution when you meet with the students.
I have not been patient.
No, Mr. Enriquez, you actually pulled that little girl by her hair.
Did you see her wanting to take over this institution?
But sir, there's a better way. I see what I'm going on. And the whole classism thing.
And the fact that she's a student, she's a minor. You're an adult. You should be setting a better example.
For real, I am.
Yes,
You know what?
Mr. Enriquez.
Listen to me. You both have the answers, so you can go ahead and fix it. Go ahead and fix the problem. But remember, it is on you. This is on your job.
Alright, I
Don't, Mr. Bruce. Go ahead, fix the
I
problem.
know exactly how to
Mr.
fix
Bruce,
this
you
situation.
take it easy.
And it is on your job, Miss Johnson. As a senior teacher, I don't expect you to be in my office talking like this. Go ahead, Miss Johnson. Go and fix the problem.
You don't understand. I think
Miss
you
Johnson,
have
this is
a demon, Mr. Enriquez. You have a demon. There's a demon here. Excuse me, Mr. Bruce. I think he's a demon.
Alright, students, so now forward this side to the way to something different. The farmer line right over here in front of the gold post. Come, Tola, walk up, she wait. Better than you. Let Miss Johnson, what make that clap umbrella? Walk on.
Sir, out your hat.
You don't think son about everybody else?
Sir, after them problems, they carry them umbrella then.
No, this is exactly what the lesson is about. Privilege. You understand? So today we're going to talk about privilege. Alright, attention. So today we're going to have a race. So this is the starting line right here, so everybody join the starting line. And the finish line, they're done with the goal post. Alright, the item ready? The item over here, so ready? Alright, ready? Set. Hold on then. And before the item start, every one of the item have a different starting point. For every question we apply to you, take one step forward. If it don't apply to the item, stay on in there.
Yes, sir.
Alright, the first question. If an item want pass this test, take one step forward.
What yeah? Duh. But at least I like book work.
If you item complete them assignment last week, take one step forward.
Sir, some question are too easy.
Alright, that was the test round. The item get ready for the real question them now. The item will live with both parents. Take a step forward.
What?
Watch out, them not have nobody.
Bubbles, the attention man. Item will never got them bed hungry. Take a step forward.
Sir, this no fear.
If an item have a father figure in them homes, take one step forward. If an item have legal light and water, take one more step forward. If the item have access to internet, take one step forward.
Kind of question this, sir? You're two person.
Young man up yourself, man. I can't talk to the ISO. Alright, the next question. Item we have them all of them school supply, take one step ahead.
I see what sir is doing. He's segregating the students by social class. All the lower class students are behind, while the rest of us upper and middle class students are in the lead.
On the item in the front, the turn on and look back. You see, most of the questions them I ask now have nothing to do with what you do in life, or even have control over.
True, sir.
Talk truth.
We know the students them at the front stand a better chance to win the systematic race. But a life that somehow we just naturally born ahead of the race. We get a push start. That means that the eye them run at the back need to run a good race. A foolishness for things that somehow we didn't get more opportunity than so. But that is not an excuse for the eye them. Them have to still run them race. Everybody have to run them own a race. For the eye them up front, they think it's foolish. They think say you get ahead and try to learn somebody else. In a reality, if this was a fair race, all the older back would have win easy. Anybody could have win this race right now. Only you can stop yourself. Yeah. Get all limitations. Yeah. Get ready. Yeah. On your mark. Yeah. Make your name a legacy. Yeah. Say, be a good example to society. Yeah. Yeah. Break all limitations. Yeah.
Wait, sir. Which episode of Squid Game this?
And well, not the Squid Game. Student, this is not the Squid Game. This is a game about life. Alright, class. In Jamaica, socialism is real. It's an issue we have to deal with. There's also a thing called privilege. Some of us get it, while some of us don't. For example, those who win the race, most of you don't have to worry about a nice meal or school material, while others have to struggle with these things. It's not your fault. It's either you were born into wealth or you were born into poverty or somewhere in between. You as students did not choose this life, but you are living it. I have been noticing that most of these privileged kids take advantage of the less fortunate ones. That in itself is a type of abuse that we cannot grow with. It doesn't mean you are better. Privilege or not, let's treat each other better. If the item didn't learn anything from this activity, you're not going to need help from a higher power. Yeah!
Rastafari! Sir, the only help I need comes from my father's bank account.
As long as the item pass the finish line, then pass the test. Wasn't that easy and a bit liberating? Alright, that's it for class.
process is life. It's bigger than all of us. Don't worry, don't think we want. And we get what we get.
But I am not better than anybody else. I always evaluate my action and make the best decision to impact the world.
Let's put it this way. I know where the eye have, we make the eye a better person. And where the eye do it. I know how you live. And how you treat others. And human strength is a wonderful human. And I see you treating others with respect and love. Keep it up. The eye is a true representative of one love. That's when you are. Just continue to be yourself. Who knows? You might be the one to change your mind, carry you to the world. Keep doing good. And maybe the people where you do good for might do it for others. And it become a endless cycle.
Really? Paid forward?
You can call it that. Be that one splash of water to create a whiskey.
Yes, that's a wonderful idea, sir. But sir, if you think I'm such a wonderful person, why do you always tell me about my name?
She just want you to know say you have potential. But I want the eye to realize that.
Yes. Paid forward. That's what I've heard.
That was nice, Mr. Bruce. That was a good lesson. Full time they realize.
Yeah, man, I think they realize
Look at them over there, sir. Sir, just explain something to them and look how they behave. Don't you just hate on them still?
Kimmy, we don't hate, we mediate.
There are so many people in this world that are dreaming for the fraction of the life we are living. We don't know how fortunate we are. Please, hold on to every precious breath that we are taking. Let us celebrate our lives. Live it, but not selfishly. Be kind to each other. Let it be our duty to help each other.
Don't want to that idiot get man.
Let us become our neighbors' keepers. Please.
Fool like. And disrespectful things heard upon.
Disrespect, sir, and disrespectful. What if we say we are going like we're better than people, even though we're better than them still? Yo, what joke to me, dog? A dead to me in a star.
Speak for yourself, gentlemen. As for me, make dead certain son of better than them. Like, I mean up your son. And them don't get so. I'm gonna apologize, sweet. You crazy? And I'm my fault, my man. Cute, sexy.
Yeah, girl.
And one of them makes her go and go clean up pick up dirty thoughts. My name dry it, daughter.
The apple not fall far from the tree.
Of course not.
It drop for shoulder.
And that them need head and shoulder shampoo for them naughty head.
I didn't leave. Anyways, we did have to focus. Some could have get a grade. We did have to pretend in a class to get my grade. But I honestly don't feel good about it. It's a direct attack on our prosperity, you know. We even make a complaint to the principal. A big disrespectful teacher in the class. My father stress and struggle to give me a good life. I'm not gonna make no dry Rasta man come take one that from me. I come free me to take my one. That must be mad in here. We need to make a stand.
Yeah.
Time to fight back.
Yeah.
No more wet discrimination. Yeah. So Joanna Johnson for president. Yeah. No, that's how you make a speech.
You're so inspiring.
Really, Kimmy? We're not responsible for nobody poor picnic. Yeah. We want grand for we ear and a 30 grand for we clothes. And a 30 grand back we wear. A justice to want in ya. Yeah. Oh, what?
Justice!
What do you want it?
No!
Oh, what?
Justice!
What do you want it?
No!
Forward to Sarika's office. Oh,
want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
What we want?
Justice!
What we want it?
No!
What we want it?
No!
What we want?
Justice!
What we want?
Justice!
What we want it?
No!
What we want it?
No!
That's so that's cool, yeah, man.
The food not even tastes good!
We want justice!
Justice!
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
What is this vulgarity about? Are you students trying to gang up on me? What is going on here? Joanna! Joanna!
Miss Bubbles have something to say, miss.
Speak up, Miss Bubbles Roach, or forever hold your peace. You know what? All of you disperse and go back to your classes this moment before I start suspending you all. Miss Bubbles Roach, as a ringleader, you get to explain all this shenanigans. Yes? And it better be good. Right this way. Now, close the door.
Garrett? No, I want nothing from you. Hey, watch ya. You know what me do? Oh, you make me take all the blame. And you there protest. Me not gonna say something but the dean knock the door. But I did think you really need justice. Yeah. But she lock the door, she don't want you with me after sex child. Okay. Come on.
Excuse me, sir. I need to talk to you. It's about Joanna.
Kimon, now is not a good time for you to come with your child.
Sir, it's important. She and her friend them out there are protest.
You're saying that Joanna was the one who led the protest?
Yes, sir. I have the proof on my phone.
You have proof. Let me see this. What? Joanna! Joanna Johnson! Report to my office now! Right now! Think this institution is a plaything. Send it to my phone.
Sir. No problem, sir. We'll do right now.
The board will hear about this. Her father will have to spend for this.
That's me, sir.
Young lady, I did not tell you to sit. Stand up. You may have a seat.
You called?
What is this uproar that you carry on? What is going on the school compound, Joanna? Why all the disruption?
I was there just listening. I had nothing to do with any brawl. But sir, I totally agree with my friends. The giant man irresponsible.
Excuse me.
You are excused, sir.
The teacher's name is Mr. Bruce, young lady.
Mr. Bruce and his daughter, sir. Them have nothing near manners and him irresponsible. I stand on that.
Are out of line, young lady.
They must spread hate message for us, sir. True parents work hard to secure a rich future for us, sir.
What?
I know we tell them nothing have no ambition. Actually, them a like me. And them a tell lie for me, sir.
Miss Johnson, stop the blabbering and get to the point. Listen, I expect better from
I
you.
have nothing to do with any demonstration, sir. If anything, I told him to come and have a playful conversation with you, sir. With you.
Here, Miss Johnson, have a look at that.
The phone not even taste good.
I have worked hard for many years to establish this institution using my bare hands. How dare the likes of you come and tear it apart?
I am being honest with you. I have nothing to do with any brawl.
Is this not you leading a demonstration, Miss Johnson?
Someone that look like this, sir.
Oh my good God! Get out of here!
When I don't make me feel bad for me.
What?
You understand me? I am way better than all of you. I'm way better than them.
What, Jenko Jesus?
You understand? I'm Joanna Johnson. I'm not gonna make none of you make me feel bad about myself.
You're crazy! You are mad!
Why am I gonna sacrifice myself for Bruce and Bruce them happiness? I'm gonna prefer sacrifice some of them.
You're out of line! Get out of my office! There is no way we can repair this.
Mr. Enriquez,
All my hard work.
it's okay. You don't need to worry about it. I'll just speak with Daddy Dearest and he'll just write up a blank check for you. And you just fill in the blanks. Get something nice. On me.
Do you think that you can come and wave your father's bank account in my face? And like magic, all your problem goes away? Huh?
Daddy will buy that tarnish. The tarnish.
Get out of my office! Get out of my office! You're crazy! Oh my God, push your buttons. Get out! The guidance counselor is awaiting you.
Okay, sir, bye.
You're crazy! I might have the security remove you from the campus. I need to get in touch with your parent. I can't believe this.
Miss, as I was saying, I did not lead any demonstration. I was just there for mere support, Miss. Why would they tell such a lie on me? I did not do it. And they keep on blaming me. I did not do it.
You don't want to take responsibilities for your own actions, Joanna? First of all, who started the demonstration?
Bubbles, Miss Bubbles Roach, Mama.
Are you sure about that, Joanna? Because I'm seeing quite different right here.
Listen to us.
Really?
Miss. That is not. Look here. It's not what it seems. Miss, no. Because I'm tired. Everybody are come down on me. And I'm Principal Enriquez. Mr. Enriquez, ma'am, in tech side, you don't want you know what I have to say. And then it's like the whole school just want tech side and just come down on me. And bully me. I'm sick of it, man.
What's the real underlying problem, Joanna? What is it? What is happening to you? What is happening at home? I know this much at school, but what is happening? Tell me, Joanna.
my father is just nothing but a bully. He bullies me, he bullies my mom, I'm just so annoyed. Everybody just bullying Joanna.
You need to take your time, dear. Take your time. All of this will only stress you out and you'll become sick. You have to take your time. Don't you believe in God? He fixes things, you know. God don't listen to me. Don't say that. Don't say that. Yes, Joanna, but I will listen to you. Trust me. I understand quite well, my dear. You can talk to me.
You bitch! Oh shit! Oh shit! Alright, play it down. Cause you're going to you wrap me out to Principal Enriquez. In front of it dead!
Oh shit. To the girl, yeah. You feel alright? Cause you don't seem too well.
Thanks for your concern, but you don't need it. You think you could have get me suspended? I don't have to roll in at this.
But that's not my fault. You can't just put yourself out there like that.
Your business can't record me.
It's a free world. Why you did up on my case?
Damn, we don't like you. We don't like you. Oh, you don't like you. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, no, man. Look him. Jesus Christ. Of course not. Those are my sisters, darling.
You wish.
You. Me hate you. Me just can't stand. What you exist for? What you exist for? Come and think about it. I didn't like you one time I got a dog. But the way me hate you now, me are 9 and 10 you. Bitch.
Your name is on it and Gina's name is on it as well. You were cheating, Tolo.
You get 90 pounds, Miss John, to test?
I must copy a copy. You could have bust me up on the link, girl.
I will still accept fully done. Hey, stop chatting. You can't pass me, my friend. Nerd. How will you look, man? How will you call nobody? Leave her alone. Hey, I'm making a friend I can find out. I don't want a bad girl in this. Okay, I tell her that here.
Next year when you or anybody else wants to.
I'm afraid to say this, but you're suspended for a week.
Joanna told me all about this Kimon and her sister that's picking on her.
You know my suspension.
I will be.
I'm gonna have you fired. That's the last thing I do.
I never want to say no, you know, but nobody no like you, Joanna.
No, Bubbles. Anybody, Bubbles.
So this is how you behave at school? Been lying to me the whole time.
Daddy?
3, 2, 1.
How can I come to that?
Action.
Yo,
One day.
Alright, so.
Yeah.
Why that's all I got? Yeah.
Joanna, say something make them all leave, please.
We need to make a stand.
Yeah.
What? What the line again? Time for.
Time for 5 man.
There we go. Ready? Let's go. Ready again?
Your emotional feeling.
Yeah, we need a line. You.
Cut. Oh, you fi ask me if you fi walk come when we are record. Stop it, yeah. She in there. Yeah, but you never back down.
Yeah, go on, I cannot you wrap me out to Rica's.
Gina, get back in position.
What kind of question is this? You're too personal.
No, you have to come in.
3, 2, 1, action.
What kind of question is this?
No.
Girl, remember how you act, girl. Go now. Ready, attitude. 3, 2, 1, action.
What kind of question is this, sir?
Looking at her ass camera.
Oh, no!
What kind of question this, sir?
If shadow betray you, you have to get wiped out.
Father, as I come before your mercy seat, I ask your Father to cover me under your blood. Father, you see the situation that we're going through and where we are. Father, you bless me with them 2 boys here. I may I beg your Father to cover them under your blood. Comprehensive coverage, Father God.
This is over consequence. Them not have any chance.
You know, see the boy we in there.
You can't take him now. Remember to we have to fight.
Yo, go for some blood clot.
Baby girl, always remember the secret to life is looking good all the time. Good looks will catch you a good man.
Mom, I'm going shopping with my friends.
Make sure you use protection.
Mom, I'm just 16.
I was 16 when I had you.
Babe, we can't just have some time for myself. When my friend follow me, like me I go do you something. I'm gonna have on. What the fuck, I'm kind of pregnant.
So Jackie try to drop on your big boss. That's set up.
You sure, man?
You know sin. My eyes for you for a very long time. Don't you want a toy girl that would do anything for you? Anything?
Ian John will face all the consequences because I will not have it repeated.
Give me one.
I have a personal interest in your academic development.
Where you let me pick me from? My liquor again. Wait, where you liquor?
I just want him to like me.
It doesn't make sense.
It's okay, you can say your piece.
Miss Kim is a wicked little girl.
I saw when that car take my name one.
Look like your mama.
I know the truth. What? John Bull may have taken the picture, but Joanna was the one who
Joanna said, say, oh, speed bar eat her seafood. Really?
Style, child style, man.
Yeah, style, brother.
But you know, me I hear say you tell people and I can't my name about say your money.
What me say? What me do?
Yo, Bubble say, Blossom say, Joanna say, you say, brother. Brother, watch out now.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much.
Don't worry, Joanna. I promise you, you'll be able to do CXC in prison.